everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss in operational management demand forecasting. So what do you mean by the demand? So for example, everything. For example, now it's a hot period. So every customer you can like in the good. So the product will be, for example, air conditioner. Everyone like it, and air cooler, right? So refrigerator. It will be more for the demand for the particular product. What do you mean forecasting?
Future prediction.
Right? So now it's that same like that, it's a hot period, so everyone like it, so it's definitely demand for that certain products, right? So any example for that, you have to track the demand forecasting. Yes, ice cream. Right? Everyone like it because it's very hot. So then ice cream,
Yes.
cool drinks, then buttermilk. Okay. So these are the things are very demand for that
Air conditioner.
particular product. Same like that I said air conditioner and air cooler, these are the things are demand for that particular product. Okay. So demand forecasting is a systematic process that involves anticipating the demand for the product or services of an organization in future. Mainly forecasting its future outcome. Right? What is that? Future outcome. That is that forecasting. Okay. So some of the things uncontrollable and competitive forces. Uncontrollable means it's not properly delivery on time. Right? For example, theft or accident, anything will happen. You're traveling, right? But you're going to deliver the product to that correct time, but some uncontrollable factors. Okay? So accurate demand forecasting is essential for means that required quantities at the right time and arrange well in advance for very simple. For example, opposite to recording cut பண்ணிரு. Got it? Okay. Now முடிஞ்சது start பண்ணிக்கோம். Demand forecast, right? So at the right time and arrange well in advance. It means now it will be suppose if you are going to manufacture some hot products, right? Some now everyone like it cool, but what about that other product like sweaters and other, I mean the television, right? So these are the things are not demand for that this period, right? Comparatively. In your point of view, what are the things you need not required for this hot summer? Sweater, blankets, right? So these are the products not required because it's in the, we don't want to create the demand, right? Okay. So next. So the words of management still demand forecasting is an estimate of sales during a specific future period based on proposed marketing plan and a set of particular uncontrollable and competitive forces. Adhe mari if you are purchasing raw material itself, you don't want to purchase more. Raw material namakku kammiya da vaangolaya, right? So if you are going to manufacture any product, raw materials also will be less, but it will be demand means you can purchase more, right? So what are the methods of demand forecasting? Opinion polling method, statistical method, consumer survey method, and sales force opinion method, and expert opinion method, and also the statistical method, trend project prediction method, and the barometric regression, simultaneous equation method, complete enumerated survey, sample survey and test marketing, end user, and the fitting trend line by observation, least square linear regression, time series analysis, moving average, and annual difference, exponential smoothing. What is the opinion polling? I mean the method, opinion polling. Everyone know about, right? For example, now in the election period, so which party will be win? BJP. Right. So whatever it is, but that's the polling. You will get that opinion from your customers, I mean the public. So it's a polling. It's a forecasting also. It's not true, right? So everyone's somebody is at ADMK, somebody is at DMK, somebody is at BJP, right? Many parties are there. Okay, just an example. Don't write an example. Okay, fine. So it's a opinion polling method, and also we have consumer survey method. For example, it's a new product, right? We are going to selling to the customer. So first you can collect that survey method. What about their taste and preference and everything. Okay, so these are the consumer survey method. And sales force opinion method depends upon that you are getting the feedback. We are going to selling your product to that customers. Okay, end of the demand forecasting. Then it moves here.
Yes, sir.
How long?